So okay guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class we will see how to integrate PayPal with your this Bookmify. So in order to do that, just enable this PayPal option over here, and now we have to just give the live PayPal client ID and secret ID. In order to get these IDs, first of all you have to have a PayPal account. So after that you can do one thing, just go to this website, which is developer.paypal.com, and after that you just have to come down below. Okay, you just have to go to the dashboard, and just scroll down, and there must be some option like to how to create a app. Okay, so just click on this create app, and whatever name that you want to give, you can just give it. I will say Bookmify, and I will say create app. So it might take a little bit of time for you all. Okay, so now this has been done, so just scroll down, and over here this is the client ID what we want. So just do one thing, copy this, come over here and paste that client ID, and now you want to just see this secret ID over here. This is our secret ID. So just do one thing, click on this, copy, come over here and paste it. Okay, so once you do this, click on save, and now your PayPal is integrated with your Bookmify. Thanks for watching.